Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening the source and destination sheets and enabling edits so links update. Once open, locate the key column, an ID, SKU, or date that uniquely matches rows because accurate matching prevents errors downstream. Next, choose your method: a simple VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP for one-off links, index match for robust lookup flexibility, or Power Query when you need repeatable imports. Start in the destination sheet and type the lookup formula to point at the source workbook. Now you construct the actual link formula. Use absolute references with $ to lock ranges and include full sheet or workbook paths so Excel can find the source. Once done, wrap lookups in IFR to supply a default or flag missing values. This keeps sheets tidy. Make sure numeric and text formats match between sheets. Mismatched types break matches. Finally, test several sample rows across the dataset to confirm results. Then drag or copy formulas and recalibrate ranges if necessary. Complete the task by deciding whether to keep live links or convert formulas to values. Keep links if data updates or paste values to freeze a snapshot. If you use Power Query, set up a refresh schedule or manual refresh to pull updates. Once done, make sure to save both workbooks and test and edit in the source to confirm propagation. If things go wrong, check file paths, sheet names, access permissions, and Excel calculation mode. Most broken links trace back to one of those issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.